Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings, scroll to the bottom and tap Apps. From the list, select Safari since most unwanted pop-ups and malware come from web browsing. Scroll down, tap Advanced, then select Website Data. Here you will see all stored site data, including potentially harmful files. Tap Remove All Website Data to clear everything. Next, check if anything suspicious was downloaded. Search for the Files app and open it. Tap On My iPhone, then open Downloads. Look for files you do not recognize. To be safe, tap the three dots, select Select, then Select All and delete them using the trash icon. After that, return to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install the latest iOS version as updates include security fixes that help remove threats. Also, enable automatic updates and security responses. Finally, restart your iPhone. If issues continue, visit an Apple store for diagnostics. So that's basically how you can find and delete all viruses on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.